चिमण्या गोष्टी. Hello kids, welcome to your favorite channel चिमण्या गोष्टी. Today we are going to learn about a great leader who dedicated his life to India's freedom struggle, Lala Lajpat Rai, lovingly known as the Lion of Punjab. Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 20th January 1865 in a small village in Punjab. He was the son of Munshi Radha Krishan, a teacher of Urdu and Persian, and Gulab Devi. Even as a child, he had a strong desire to serve his country. In 1886, Rai moved to Hisar to practice law. He became one of the founding members of the Bar Council of Hisar along with Babu Chulamani. But his love for his country led him to do much more. He established the Hisar district branch of the Indian National Congress and the reformist organization Arya Samaj. To inspire people and shape India's political future, Rai also became a journalist and regularly contributed to newspapers like the Tribune. In 1886, Rai helped Mahatma Hansraj establish the Jnananda Agro. In 1886, Rai helped Mahatma Hansraj establish the Jnananda Agro-Vedic School in Lahore, which became a symbol of nationalism and education. In 1914, Lala Lajpat Rai decided to quit his law practice to dedicate himself fully to India's freedom struggle. He worked tirelessly to make India independent from British rule. In 1920, Lala Lajpat Rai was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress at the Calcutta Special Session. He also founded the Servants of the People Society in 1921, a non-profit organization aimed at improving society. Lala Lajpat Rai believed in fighting social evils like the caste system, untouchability, and the poor status of women in society. He strongly felt that everyone, regardless of caste or gender, should have the right to read and learn from the Vedas. On 30th October 1928, the Simon Commission visited Lahore and Rai led a peaceful protest against it. But the protest turned violent when the police, under the orders of James A. Scott, brutally lathi-charged the crowd. Rai was personally assaulted and injured badly. Rai declared, "Every blow on my body will prove to be a nail in the coffin of British rule in India." Sadly, Rai never fully recovered from his injuries and passed away on 17th November 1928. Lala Lajpat Rai's courage, dedication and sacrifice inspire us to this day. He is rightly remembered as the Lion of Punjab. His life teaches us the importance of standing up for justice and dedicating ourselves to the betterment of society. Did you enjoy learning about this great leader, friends? Don't forget to share this story with your friends and subscribe to the Chimnya Goshti channel. See you soon with another inspiring story.